Welcome back, and on today's video I'll be showing you how I got stopped at break even today while trading in ES. While I was trading ES. So the first thing that I seen, it's currently 9:25 and I'm about to enter in a little bit. The first thing I seen is that we take out liquidity right here and we kind of just form all-time highs, new all-time highs again. And we have our equilibrium point. Pretty sure we had it on in Q, but not ES. And then we have a fair value gap right here. And I actually go down to the 1 minute. Okay, I'm just lying. Our equilibrium was here on ES. And then we formed the 1 minute or 5 minute gap. If we go down to the 1 minute, we actually have this inverse to the upside, which is whatever. It's fine. It's fine. And for me to enter, I was waiting for this break below this low and an inverse of this 1 minute gap right here. And we get that. And I'm pretty sure I enter somewhere right around here. Make sure I line it up. But today I low-key made a mistake. I'm not gonna lie. And I'll tell you how I made a mistake in a second. I only traded 5 contracts on MES, so it kind of fried me. If I would have traded regular amount of contracts, like at least like 8, then I would have made some money today. I'm not gonna lie, I would have made some money today because I had partials here, full TP here, 3 contracts here, 1 contract here, 1 contract there. So what happens? Bang. Both my partials get hit. And how much am I up? $50. I'm up $50 off of 2 contracts. So I kind of fried myself there. If I would have done 8, you know, I could have been up at least like maybe 200. If I would have did my partials a little bit more. But it is what it is. I thought I had more loaded up, but I guess not. And we actually hit that partial too. I would have been break even. And this Trump candle came out of nowhere. You should have seen it. And it's because like Iran's like not gonna use like nuclear war or something. I don't even know. No nuclear weapons, something like that. But yeah, I get stopped out at break even. I make like 75, 80, $100, whatever. Pretty much a break even day. And you actually could have cut a long later too. Tapped into this gap and this gap. Waited for the break. Would have entered on this candle. Broke above the high. I target this high for partials. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm just wrong. But yeah, I mean, that's how I got stopped at break even. That's how I made $80 today trading ES. Peace.